Hey everyone, this is alexusadays and we're studying Python for QA. So this is Python for quality assurance and what this course is all about. So this will be a practical Python course for testers. We start from zero and move towards the level where you can write real automated tests for APIs and simple UI. In the course scope, you'll have practical Python 3 introduction focused on QA and test automation. We will start from zero, so no prior coding experience required. We'll have step-by-step path to being automation ready. We'll have hands-on examples with test data, JSON, API tests, and simple UI tests. If you'd like to learn more about Python, check out www.python.org. Who this course is for? If you're a manual tester, a junior QA, or a QA automation learning Python, this course is for you. What you will learn. You'll understand core Python basics, variables, types, loops, functions, introduction to OOP. We will work with lists, dictionaries, JSON file, dates, and errors. You will organize code using modules, packages, and virtual environments. We'll use pytest to write and run automated tests. We'll create API tests with requests plus pytest. We'll build at least one simple UI test in Python. How to get the most out of this course. Code alone in every lesson. Pause and try small variations on the examples. Rewatch and retype code if something is unclear. Ask questions and reach out if you need help. Remember, learning something new takes time. It's normal to go slowly and repeat the practice several times before it really clicks. All code examples will be available at my GitHub at alexusadays/python-4-QA. Alright, let's start our journey and I'll see you in the next video.